Good morning, this is Jim. I'm back in the shop today. Welcome to Soldier Farms. I am going to get some things done. I'm going to try and move my camera up and back enough that you can just see me moving around, and I'll kind of narrate what I'm doing. But this is the beginning of perhaps the biggest production week in the history of my shop, because this is our second year at the farmers market, and I have my cataract surgeries out of the way, and I am in full production mode. So I'm grabbing the low-hanging fruit first. I have some kitchen utensils that I need to finish up, just sanding, and then we'll move on to the next thing. I have some turning to do. I need to put out the last video for my long mill, which is squaring the machine and attaching it to the table. But without any further ado, I'm just going to get stuck into it, because if I don't, you know, we're not going to get anywhere if we just talk about it. So here goes. Alrighty, so everybody seems to like these sanding arbors with sponges. I tried it in my Dremel and it just spun too fast to be able to, you know, it would shoot these discs off into the nether and I wouldn't be able to find them, let alone use them. So we're going to try here with the lathe. I have my face shield, and here goes. Alrighty, so I have all of my utensils oiled, and let me go ahead and turn this camera around so you can see. Alrighty, there they are. So we wound up with 11 spoons, 4 spurtles, 1, 2, 3 long spatulas, 1 cake knife, and 4 of our little butter spreaders. So I know it took a long time to get those finished, but frankly, when the customer didn't call me back, it became an issue until market time. So I'll have those for this season, and if I need to make some more, I will, but not in any hurry on that. So I'm going to put the phone aside and set up for my next project, and that'll be my next video.